some tests, it's not so hard. With xUnit, you'll be a star. Set up, exercise, verify, clean up, and you'll be flying high. xUnit, xUnit, you're so neat. Testing code, making it sweet. With your help, we can ensure our code's solid, safe, and sure. Assertions, check what we found, making sure our code is sound. Equal, not equal, true or false, we can test it all, it's not a loss. Test fixtures, set up, tear down, making sure our tests are known. Preparing things for testing time, and cleaning up when we're all done. xUnit, xUnit, you're so neat. Testing code, making it sweet. With your help, we can ensure our code's solid, safe, and sure. Parameterized tests are fun, testing lots with just one run. Different inputs, same test case, saving time, it's not a race. Test runners run them all, showing us if we hit the wall.